Hey, what's up everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Marzan and in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and kind of like a bit of a first impressions and tests of a condenser microphone that I bought for my YouTube channel, and I'll be using it for hopefully doing some like voiceovers over some like b-rolls and stuff like that. But I thought I'd share this microphone with you just because, you know, I was in the market for a microphone, and I'm sure many of you guys are in the market for a microphone if you're looking to like voiceovers or it's basically any production work, and you don't want to spend too much. So I'm going to basically unbox this, give it a few tests, get some impressions, and maybe this might be the microphone for you, or maybe it just might give you something to compare against. But let's just get straight into it. Okay, so now over to the unboxing. So I bought this Yotto professional microphone set from Amazon for about £53. I'll leave all the links in the description below. But for probably what might be considered as a budget microphone, the packaging is actually quite nice, I have to say. Let's see what's on the back. Okay, so on the back this is how it'll look like once you set everything up. It has the specification in terms of the actual audio. I'm not going to go through that because I'm not really too familiar with that. And then it's got the packaging. Everything that actually comes in this box is mentioned all here. But I'm just going to open it up and we'll see what we get. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to bring it out one by one. The first thing you get is the windscreen. This is what you actually put on top of the microphone. And this is the pop filter. So this is the pop filter, which feels quite sturdy and good. You get the user guide here. You get everything actually in the box itself like that. So it's all packaged quite nicely, I have to say. So first thing I'll get is this microphone stand, and you know, I have to say for the price I was expecting it to be a bit more flimsy, but it seems reasonably sturdy, which seems good. We'll see how it goes over time, but that definitely seems like a good impression. So you get the USB cable and the Velcro tabs, I guess. So this is the microphone. I have to say I was expecting a bit less of quality in terms of the price, but it feels kind of hefty. It feels of good, decent material, and yeah, I mean, so far I'm actually quite impressed. And this is the clamp which will connect to this boom arm that you put against the table. Again, seems pretty sturdy. And this is basically what I believe would hold the microphone on the boom arm. I mean, again, everything seems pretty sturdy, so I can't complain so far in terms of my first impressions at least. So this is basically everything that you get in the box. Okay guys, now that I've got everything laid out, I just wanted to quickly mention that this is a USB microphone. So this bit will connect directly to your microphone, and this bit will connect directly to your computer. And the reason why I got a USB microphone is just because I wanted an easy plug and play solution. I didn't want to have to buy any other attachments or anything like that. I just wanted a microphone that connects, a condenser microphone that connects directly to the computer and record straight from there. So that's why I went for a USB microphone. So now what I'm going to basically do is I'm going to set everything up, I'm going to clamp it to the table, and then I'll run a few tests just to give you guys just a bit of an idea what it sounds like compared to maybe just the camera and maybe the mic that I currently got set up. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so now that we've unboxed everything, I've set everything up. It only took a few minutes, which is great. This isn't my final setup, it's more for demonstrational purposes. But I just wanted to mention that the test I'm going to be doing is this microphone against the one that I'm currently using, which is the Rode Video Mic Go. And I just wanted to mention that the Rode Video Mic Go is more intended for I guess more vlog style videos, and I usually keep it around arm's length when I record videos, and I've been using this for, I'd say, probably 10 out of 11 of my videos, and this one I'm going to be hopefully using for voiceovers going forward. So hopefully you can hear the difference in transition of sounds. So yeah, let's just get right to the testing. Okay, so right now I've already got the Rode Video Mic Go attached, and I'm going to say my usual YouTube introduction, and I'm going to say the same thing on this microphone just so we can basically compare it. So hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Marzan. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Marzan, and this video I'm going to, so guys, that was a bit more of a sample of the audio, and I'm just going to continue speaking into this microphone just to give you guys a bit of a flavor of how it sounds in general. And do you know what, for approximately £53 I'm actually really happy with it. The build quality exceeds my expectations. I'm using Adobe Audition for the first time, and I just had to kind of like test it and play the sound back just to make sure the actual microphone works, and it sounds a lot cleaner than I actually expected. I'll let you guys be the judge of it. Let me know what you guys think of the sound below, and is it something that you'd consider to get. And yeah, do you know what, overall I'm actually really happy with the purchase, and I'm looking forward to using it in my future videos. And with that being said, I think I shall leave it there. If you have any questions as well, please leave it in the comments down below. And if you like the video, then like the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. Hit the notification bell so you know when my next video drops, and I'll see you guys in the next one.